An attempt to retrieve data from a number of computers owned by a major bank have highlighted the risk of cybercrime that looms over companies across the country. It was reported that 12 men were arrested in London after they were found to have tried to attempt to fit devices to computers at a branch of the high street financial firm. These would have allowed all data and files on the machines to be downloaded from remote locations. One expert in cybercrime has warned that this is not an isolated attempt, saying that financial institutions such as banks and other lenders are at risk through their IT systems, with unscrupulous individuals and groups looking to breach them. It's estimated that these sorts of attacks cost firms collectively billions each and every year, and the expert said companies should now be making it their priority to focus on resources and the upgrading of their security systems in order to lower the risk to themselves. Even the ever more popular voice over internet protocol, or VoIP technology, is vulnerable to being breached, he advised. It's become the case in the UK that cybercrime is more than just a series of small isolated incidents, with the practice becoming something of an industry in itself and hackers becoming more and more sophisticated as they try to make their way around the systems companies have in place to keep them out. With criminals always trying to find new ways to breach defences, then it's vital that those with businesses protect themselves by having a dynamic approach to their security, upgrading and updating it whenever possible to stay ahead of the game. The expert said cybercrime is no longer a scourge of large multinationals either, with businesses of all sizes being at risk of loss through these attacks at all times. He advised owners and IT professionals to take more of a proactive approach to the realities of cybercrime by defending against it instead of reacting when something goes wrong. This story was brought to you by QBE, the business insurance specialist.